Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Data. So, looks like Bitcoin has started on its little rally again. Last night it actually started spiking and it's right now at $17,773, so up a little over 6%. So I think a big part of this is actually just due to the futures, the Bitcoin futures that are going to be launching with CME this Sunday, the 17th. So there's actually some big news that actually came out an hour ago that not only is CME releasing futures, but TD Ameritrade is also releasing Bitcoin futures. And they're releasing them on Monday the 18th. So this was huge news. For those who don't know, TD Ameritrade is one of the largest futures operations of any online brokerage. And they are the number one smartphone app for online brokerages, the number one desktop platform. This is their website right here. So you can see they've been around for a long time. They have a lot of volume and a lot of big investors. So for them to announce that they're going to start trading Bitcoin futures as well, that's really big news. So in this article by CNBC, it states they're going to start trading on Monday. And basically, they just want to get into the market because, since they're the biggest online brokerage firm, they see CBOE leading the way as well as CME, so they want a piece of the of that money as well. So seeing them coming into the market is great news. I definitely see Bitcoin having a little bit higher of a rally. There's that 20,000 mark a lot of people have been looking at, and I think we'll definitely see that before the end of the year. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. And with TD Ameritrade coming on board now, it's only a matter of time before other big banks start coming in. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, with big investment firms just getting a piece of this market right now, because it seems like, everyone's just starting to jump on the bandwagon. So it's great to see. It's good to see a big company like TD Ameritrade coming on. So, it's only going to increase, the amount of coverage that Bitcoin gets as well as the amount of investors. So it's really, really good. And with that, there's also, I wanted to explain, I'm going to explain this more this weekend, but basically about CME, the difference between their contracts and Bitcoin's contract, CBOE's contract is CBOE, whenever they trade, they're just trading for exposure of just one Bitcoin. So their contract is for one Bitcoin, while CME is going to be exposed to 5 Bitcoins. So the biggest difference in that is the amount of margin that you'll have to put up to be able to trade CME's contract. So, for example, if Bitcoin is currently trading at 17,500, then CBOE's contract would have a notional value of 17,500, while CME's would be 5 times greater at 87,500. And seeing how they're both around 45% margin requirements, then that means if you want to trade CME's futures contracts, then you'll need to put up, nearly $41,000 from today's valuation of Bitcoin. So it's a lot of money. So expect, there's going to be a lot of people. Granted, the futures are cash settled, but still, it's going to be a lot of people, big investors coming in to that this Sunday. So definitely looking forward to that. Having, them launch and then TD Ameritrade launching on Monday, it's going to be, great for Bitcoin, more exposure, and I believe we'll definitely see this rise a little bit more. So with that, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment if you haven't, and subscribe if you haven't as well. Till next time, thanks for watching.